In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at site menu, step by step. So let's get started. So first go to your site and here you can see Contact Us in the menu bar. Now go to your WordPress dashboard, then Appearance and select Menus. Here you have menu structure with menu name and settings. Then on left, we have Add Menu Items. You can add menu items from here. On top we have Edit Menus. Here it says, create your first menu below. You need to enter your menu name and make necessary settings, then click on Create Menu button to create it. Once done, it will be added on your site's menu bar. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.